Airica Boss, we're back at again with another video. And in today's video, wait. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. Go down there right now and click that subscribe button, okay? Now, in today's video is a very quick video. We're going to be doing a lock maintenance video. This is my everyday lock maintenance routine. My hair is up like this because I went to the gym this morning. So usually my hair would not be like this right when I get up because I like my hair to breathe. So literally all I do specifically to help get my ends to be so frizzy and so thick and curly is this rose water right here. I'm gonna link it again. Y'all gonna get so tired of me linking my rose water video, but you need to use it because this works and it keeps it moisturized. So I just spray. I grab a section and I spray. Grab a section, spray. Make sure you get in the bike. Just grab a section and spray. In the way my hair operates, I kind of like this down the middle. Look, I haven't done this in a while. Am I gonna do that? I don't know. I basically just spray how I want my hair to lay. So if I want my hair to lay this way, then I would like spray the roots like this. And if I want it to lay in the center, then do, spray like this. I don't know. How do I want my hair? Maybe since it decided to just fall this way, I'll do it like this. I haven't done this in a while. I've been doing like a little side part that's been like really cute. Okay, that's really it. And then I usually will put this in my hair, but I'm trying something new. I'm going to try putting Blue Magic in my hair on my scalp at least like twice a week and see how that helps like my hair growth and the moisture of my scalp. So right now I'm just gonna oil my scalp like my mama would back in the day. Oh, goodness gracious. Y'all, don't forget to separate your roots because baby, if you don't touch them, you're going to feel it. Like I've been like periodically separating them because I probably am going to retwist my hair tomorrow. So I've been separating them when I like have a chance, and these boys are getting stuck together. And you don't want that. I mean, it's gonna happen, but pull them together if you can. Pull them apart if you can. Okay. Just making sure I get everywhere so all of my scalp is moisturized. Oh, nice little scalp massage. I want to put more cowrie shells in my hair. I'll do that later. Do I like this? I think this is how we're going to rock with it today. My hair is getting so long. And tomorrow makes 8 months, so that's so crazy. Okay. And just like that, we're good to go. So I'm officially starting my day. It's like 1:42, but my days have been starting later now because I don't work until the afternoons. So yes, we are good to go. Pretty simple. The most important tip is moisturizing your hair, and the rose water does that for me like perfectly. 20 out of 10. Like, spray it every day, every morning with rose water. My hair is not dry, especially with this color. My hair is very soft right now. Y'all should feel it. Yeah, very, very moisturized. And yeah, so pretty simple, pretty quick and easy moisture routine for locks to get that frizzy look. And I will see y'all in the next video.